Top 10 Landmark Rape Case Judgments in India, Brief Overview. Case number 1. State of Punjab vs Gurmeet Singh, 1996. This case was a landmark decision by the Supreme Court of India in which the court held that evidence of the victim in a rape case should be considered crucial, even if there are no other witnesses present. The case involved a minor girl who was raped and murdered, and the accused was convicted based on the testimony of the victim. Case number 2. Tukaram vs State of Maharashtra, 1979. In this case, the Supreme Court of India held that medical evidence is not necessary to prove rape, and the testimony of the victim is sufficient to establish the offence. The case involved a Dalit woman who was raped by the accused, and the court upheld his conviction based on her testimony. Case number 3. State of Himachal Pradesh vs Sanjay Kumar, 2014. This case was a significant judgment by the Supreme Court of India, which upheld the death penalty awarded to the accused for raping and killing a minor girl. The court held that the offence was of a heinous nature, and the punishment was necessary to serve as a deterrent. Case number 4. Sakshi vs Union of India, 2004. This case was a landmark decision by the Supreme Court of India, which recognized the need for rape victims to be provided with legal aid and counseling during the trial. The court directed the government to set up rape crisis centers and provide financial assistance to victims. Case number 5. Bodhisattva Gautam vs Shivra Chakraborty, 1996. In this case, the Supreme Court of India held that rape victims should not be subjected to cross-examination that questions their character or previous sexual history. The court upheld the victim's testimony and convicted the accused of rape. Case number 6. State of Rajasthan vs NK, 2000. This case was a significant judgment by the Supreme Court of India, which held that a medical examination report is not the sole determinant of whether rape occurred or not. The court emphasized that the testimony of the victim should be considered in conjunction with medical evidence. Case number 7. Vishakha and others vs State of Rajasthan, 1997. This case was a landmark decision by the Supreme Court of India, which recognized sexual harassment in the workplace as a violation of fundamental rights. The court issued guidelines to prevent sexual harassment and to provide a mechanism for victims to report and seek redressal. Case number 8. Baldev Singh vs State of Punjab, 1997. In this case, the Supreme Court of India held that the failure of the victim to resist the assault does not imply consent. The court upheld the conviction of the accused for raping a mentally challenged woman. Case number 9. Raju Pandurang Mahole vs State of Maharashtra, 2004. This case was a significant judgment by the Supreme Court of India, which held that a woman's consent obtained by deception cannot be considered genuine consent. The court upheld the conviction of the accused for raping a woman by pretending to be a doctor. Case number 10. State of Madhya Pradesh vs Ramesh, 2011. In this case, the Supreme Court of India held that a woman's sexual history cannot be used to impeach her character or credibility. The court convicted the accused of raping a minor girl. Thanks for watching this video.